Have you ever stopped to ponder what is the true location of your heart? Not in the anatomical sense, of course, but in a metaphysical, spiritual context. Today we dive into the profound depths of Matthew 6:21, which states, "For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." This verse, in its simplest form, speaks to the concept of value and priority. What you cherish and prioritize in your life implicitly reflects the state and orientation of your heart. If you value material wealth, then your heart will be bound to the physical realm, constantly seeking more, never content. However, if you hold spiritual growth, love, and kindness as your treasure, your heart will gravitate towards these virtues, enriching your life and the lives of those around you with a wealth that money cannot buy. The verse also presents a clear mirror to our inner selves. It tells us that our hearts are not just influenced by our treasures, but are inextricably linked to them. It's a call for introspection, a nudge to look within and question, where is my treasure? Where is my heart? Delving deeper, this verse does not condemn wealth or the desire for material possessions. Rather, it encourages a shift in perspective. It urges us to see beyond the transient and focus on the eternal, to seek treasures not just on earth, but also in heaven. To understand that the true measure of wealth is not found in what we have, but in who we are and how we impact the world around us. And so, Matthew 6:21 serves as both a gentle reminder and a powerful call to action. It prompts us to align our hearts with treasures that are truly worth pursuing. It encourages us to cultivate a heart that seeks love, kindness, compassion, and spiritual growth. It challenges us to shift our focus from the material to the eternal, from the superficial to the profound, from the seen to the unseen. To summarize, this verse from the book of Matthew teaches us that our hearts and our treasures are interconnected. It calls on us to seek treasures that are more than just material wealth. It encourages us to focus on the eternal, the profound, and the unseen, for it is there that our heart will truly find its home. It's a reminder that we have the power to steer our hearts in the direction we want it to go by choosing wisely what we treasure. And ultimately, it's a call to treasure that which enriches not just our lives, but also the lives of those around us. So, take a moment, reflect, and ask yourself, where is my treasure? And consequently, where is my heart?